Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back to EA Sports. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski, getting set to call all the action here. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. And a strong defensive effort to get in front of that. Germany's on the attack. Team Germany's got it along the wall. Team Belarus is on the attack. Belarus plays it along the wing. Good hit on the play. Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Quick feed to Draisaitl. Handles it along the blue line. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, what a hit! He sacrificed his body to make the play. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Point-to-point pass. Moves right to the middle. With the puck under siege. Can he get out of the zone here? Slides the puck over. Team Germany's got the puck in their own end. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides it back to the blue line. Knocked away. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's an offensive chance. Takes a shot, and that banks off a stick. Save made by the goalie. Into the offensive zone. Sends it over. Handles the puck at the point. In close. Denies him in front.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Takes the feed at the back end. Sends a pass over. Off the mask of the goaltender. Boy, right between the eyes. Carries it in. Handles the puck. Tees it up from the back end. Stops him cold. Germany's got the puck along the wall. On the attack along the boards. Shot. Whoa. Scores! They're on the board early.
Yeah, there's also a lot of people not in their seats yet. Man, that was quick. This drives coaches crazy. Everybody's staring at the player behind the net. He's only dangerous if you turn the net around. The dangerous guy's in front of the net. Oh yeah, he's the guy that scored.
Team Germany's got a 1-0 lead, and they've got their crowd on their feet here.
Early on, the entertainment is here. Early lead for the home team, the first goal in the first 5 minutes, and now you push for another.
Boyle's going to play it against the half wall. Takes the feed at the point. Gets it to the other point. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck.
Team Belarus's bench is constantly saying, good sticks, good sticks. They intercept the puck, they turn it over, and they can attack. This will be a close game all the way to the end.
Centering pass with authority. Puts him into the wall.
James, there's the difference between getting by or getting crunched. He's a half a second from a great move. Instead, he got flattened.
And that one's turned away. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Carries it across the line. Comes up on the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Back at the point, they set it up. Takes the pass. And he scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries
picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Still lots of time left in the period. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped and play resumes.
Scored by number 6. Assisted by number
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone.
Time of the goal.
Moves the puck down low. And he takes a shot. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed. Well, that'll get a response.
I get what he's thinking. Lots of times you don't want to fight the guy that's staring you down. They're going to have to look at him immediately. He's just slowly working his way to the bench, James.
Moves the puck. Team Belarus has got the puck inside the defensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. With possession along the wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Sacrifices the body. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Here's a short pass to Holzer. From point blank. Stopped by the goaltender.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Into the corner now. Pass right in front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Draisaitl's got it on the offensive end. Here's a shot. Just wide. Puck grab by Kuhnhackl. Quick pass to Kuhnhackl. Feeds it down low. Belarus takes possession along the wall. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Gotch has got it along the wing. Takes that pass back at the point. Move to the middle, and they can't finish that one.
Oh, he's going to be kicking himself for that. The play was there. He just doesn't execute that last pass for the scoring opportunity.
Well past the midway mark of this period, we are all tied up in this one. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Taken by Boyle. And he slides it quickly to Boyle. Reimer's got the puck. Huge steal in his own end. Takes it across the blue line. Grabs the puck in the corner. Back to the blue line. Here's a shot with the stop.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
Oh, wow! What a save with the glove.
That's why a goalie can never relax. He makes one stop. Now he's got to be sharp to make another.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Germany's got the puck in the defensive end. And he gains the zone here. Receives the pass. Puts it high.
Yeah, it sounds great. Hit the net, though. You got a better chance to score.
Slides that one right across the blue line. Quick shot. Big save.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice. The goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Long lead pass into the neutral zone. Sends the pass over. Here's the chance. Denied by the goaltender. Manages to hang on. Takes it across the blue line. They fight for it along the boards. And some good footwork to kick it away. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. We got a minor penalty coming up here on this one.
James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the play develop, and now they're going to have to serve 2 minutes.
Man advantage unit is set.
This is why you have meetings in the morning. You look at video of the penalty killers. You try to establish what their tendencies are going to be. Push the penalty killers into some place they're not comfortable.
Slides the puck over. Right in the slot. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Quick feed down low. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Shot and a great save. Right on the doorstep. On their heels, trying to get it out of the road end. And they get it out of the zone. And where are they headed to, Ray?
Time for a change. Everyone needs a little break here. They looked a little tired. They get it out of the zone, and they can get some fresh troops on the ice.
Snaps one here in the slot, and he makes the save.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
On the redirect, takes a shot. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
And now he moves it to Cahoon. Moves the puck along the half wall. Sends it out right in front, and they can't convert on the play. And as he jumps out of the box, he can thank his penalty killers as they bail him out to keep this one tied.
Now the pressure ramped up on the penalty kill there as they go into that last power play tied. They do a really nice job. They keep the game knotted as the power play wasn't able to cash in.
Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Nice save. It's in the back of the net. We're being called off immediately here.
Yeah, goalie interference, James. The ref has waved this off immediately. Sometimes it just looks wrong. That puck's in the net, but this doesn't look right. They waved that off right away.
I think they made the right call on this one here as we get a second perspective with the replay. Play set to resume, and you can see they're still frustrated by that non-goal call. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it to Reeder. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Team Germany's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Sends the pass down low. What a steal in his own end. Moves it out quickly. Good hit. Oh, puts it wide.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender. Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
In the final moments of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Makes his presence known on the ice. Here they come on the attack. Here they are on the attack. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Moves it around along the half wall. Puck lands back onto a stick. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Handles the pass in the middle. Heads to the back of the net. Pass back to the point. Germany's got the puck along the boards. Sends a pass over. Carries it in. Belarus has possession of it now. Handles the puck. On the attack along the boards. Grabs the puck. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Nearing the final 60 seconds here this first period. Here's a shot. Big time stop there. Again, the denial by the goaltender. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. 36 seconds to the buzzer. 30 seconds left. Just a half minute to go. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop. Another stop by the goaltender. Now he takes it over the line. Nice feed from the boards. And the defenders come up with the puck. And that brings the first period to an end where we are tied up at 1.
Look for our food donation boxes located throughout the concourse.
Minutes of regulation still to play. We're looking forward to it. Hopefully you are too. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Been a fun one so far. Neither side giving an inch. Still tied here as we open things up in the second. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
Belarus has another gear or two than they played in that first period. They don't have many shots on goal. Probably lucky that the game's tied. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Draisaitl's won the draw. Now a quick pass to Cahoon. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Up the neutral zone now. Here's a chance right in the slot. Team Germany's got control of it now from their own end. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Officials calling tripping here on this one.
This was the penalty I think when I took. I was most angry at myself because you're not trying to do it, and then all of a sudden you see the guy go down and you're just like, ah, man, here I go.
There's the result. Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
If you can find a way to get a power play goal here, you can change the momentum of this game. They haven't got one yet tonight, and you find yourself starting to press when you don't score.
Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Kuhnhackl's got it against the boards. Takes the bank feed. Off the crossbar. Mike scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. Oh, everybody's staring behind the net at the puck carrier. Hey, guys, turn around. The guy that's going to shoot it is standing right in front of the net, and it's in the cage.
Germany's offense has come alive. You might say someone figured out how to use the controller here, Ray.
It looks like it. At least one guy has. A one-goal lead. They'd like it to be more.
Rocks him.
Number 34, Tom Kuhnhackl.
Takes the pass.
Number 45, and by number 5.
With some momentum driving towards the net. Gets a pad on it to deny him. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Sends the cross-ice pass. Team Germany's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it across the line. Here's the pass. Gives them nothing in front.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
And that's taken by the defense. Shot. Oh, what a glove save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Germany's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. We get a whistle, and they'll do it all over at the other end.
Yeah, of course, the team that iced the puck isn't able to change players. A rule put in a couple of seasons ago. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Team Germany's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Team Belarus is looking to break out. Sends it in on the attack. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. With the stop. Germany's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Reimer's got it across the line. Takes the feed. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Takes the puck along the boards. Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Jabs the puck away. From the neutral zone now. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Makes the save on the slapper. Team Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Holzer's taking it from his own end. With possession along the wall. And he totally whiffs on that one. Right up the gut, here they go. Moves the puck along the half wall. Germany's looking to break out of their own end. Along the half wall with the puck. Here he is in close. Stopped by the goaltender. Coughs up possession of the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves the puck over to Holzer. On the doorstep. Backhander. Comes up with the stick save.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Dumps it in. Belarus has it near the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Great read to break up the play.
Germany's done a really nice job positionally tonight. They've stolen the puck every time, it seems, when they needed to.
From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. Cahoon's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Just wide of the net. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Gets the puck in deep. Team Germany's got the puck in their own end. Moves it quickly over to Cahoon. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Gets the puck back onto a stick. Across the point. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. It looks like a trip. Here's the official call. Tripping is the call, and it's pretty cut and dry, it seems, Ray.
Well, it's like you're in position, then you're not. You reach out, you trip them up, and there's no way to get out of it now.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
They've been successful on the power play already, James. So now you get another opportunity. Do not relax. Go pile it on and get another one.
Gets it out of his own end. Germany's got a hold of it against the wall. Up along the wing. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a shot. Glove save. Quick reflexes. Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Draisaitl's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Excellent stick work on the play. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. On the attack along the boards. Here's a blast. That's blocked. Comes up with the stop. And now he moves it quickly to Holzer. Puts it up front. Comes up with the steal. And manages to clear the zone. Germany's gained possession along the boards. Over the line they come. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. Just an old-school tripping call here on this one, right?
Sometimes I think you just get burned here. A little bit of a bad break. You're fishing around for the puck, and your stick gets into the other guy's feet.
Time is of the essence for this 5-on-3 power play.
Puck retrieval is always a key on a power play, in particular a short 5-on-3. You don't want to lose a puck battle and have the 5-on-3 portion of your power play go away.
1 second.
Team Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Centering pass, gets in front of it. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a pass down low. Centering pass, turns it away.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Fantastic save! That one sails to the bench, sending the coaching staff scrambling. Here in the back half of this period, it's a 2-1 game. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a chance to move the puck outside the zone. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Dished on over to Kuhnhackl. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Hammers it, big time stop. Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And the stick, his best friend on that save right there. Quick shot, there's another stop.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. Slides it over to Draisaitl. Penalty has expired, both sides back to even strength.
Oh man, what a good power play, but it doesn't change the big numbers up on the score clock. Couldn't score, but all kinds of chances.
Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Standing tall with the save. Team Germany's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Here's a blast. Can't get it to go. He scores! Did that go off something?
Yeah, pretty sure, James. That looks like it hits a foot in front of the net. There's a bunch of players shammed in there, and it ricochets behind the goalie. That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
Germany's put themselves in the driver's seat on the back nine of this game here, Ray. They've been impressive so far tonight.
They have been, and nothing should change from their perspective. They have to be ready. I'm sure their opponents are going to put together a pretty strong push.
There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside.
By number 87, Philip Gogula. Time of the goal, 13 minutes, 39 seconds.
Team Germany's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Oh, and a good heads-up defensive play. Germany's got the puck here in the open ice. Lets it fly. Denied by the goaltender. Past the halfway mark of this period, Team Germany's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Quick feed to Reimer. Ahead of steam now towards the front and makes the save. Germany's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Handles the pass into the middle of the ice. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From one end of the blue line to the other. Glides along the blue line. Boom! Against the wall.
There's a little anger in that hit.
Yeah.
I mean, he had him closed off. He could have just eased them in, but he lowered the boom.
Back to the point it goes. And it's a quick pass to Boyle. Nice pass. Quick feed down low. Knocked away. Handles it along the blue line. Takes the feed. Here they come on the attack. With possession along the wall. Move to the middle. Shuts it down. Trying to get back on the attack now. Great reflexes. Another save.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Through center along the wing. From the slot, wrist shot. Big time glove save.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Team Germany's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Good check, frees the puck up. Germany's got the puck along the boards. Rocked on the play. Belarus has it behind the net. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And that one's stopped.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Here in the late goings of the period, 3-1 is where we're sitting. Fans being treated to a lot of offense thus far. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Slides the puck over to Reimer. Reimer's going to play it against the half wall. Sends it down low. Team Belarus has got the puck. Up along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Receives the pass. Wicked stop by the goaltender. And the pass is picked off. Sends the pass over. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Into the offensive end now. Puts it on net. Traps that puck tight into his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play.
Now, positionally, he's in the right spot here. That's a hard shot. He made it look rather easy.
Team Germany's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Denies him with the save. Belarus looks to break out in their own end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Snaps it on net. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now.
Belarus penalty.
And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled.
19 minutes, 57.
And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. One more period still to come. And it's a 3-1 game is where we're sitting right now.
Now's your chance to play clean. Join us in our arena as the first sports and entertainment facility in the entire country.
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments.
In the Play Clean recycling bins located throughout the arena. Thank you.
And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Germany's power play is still intact as this period is now underway, and they take possession. Slides it back to the blue line. Big time stop, gets a blocker on it. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Slides the puck over. Sends it across, and that goes off a player. Puck scooped up by Draisaitl. Carries it in. Along the half wall with the puck. Sends a pass over. Moves it around along the half wall. Lets one go. Blocked in front. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, I won't complain. Team Germany's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Team Belarus has got a hold of the puck. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. On the attack along the boards. Slides it across. Stopped by the goaltender.
High quality chance, high quality save.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. And that's broken up. Kuhnhackl's lugging the puck. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the puck behind the net. Scores! 1-goal game.
Now they've put themselves in a position here to come all the way back. Down 2, it looks like a long way to go. Now you're just one shot away. This one's on the defenders, not the goalie. The goalie's got to look at the puck, which is behind the goal line. Nobody covers the man tight enough, and it's a pass from behind the net, and it's in the net.
Belarus is right back into this one, Ray.
They never really gave up here, James. I've liked the way that they've pushed even down 2. Now they've got a little momentum.
Gotch has won possession. Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone.
Charles Klinglet
With possession along the wall.
and by number 11, time of the goal.
Handles the puck at the point. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides the puck down low. Here's the chance to set up now. Here's a backhander. Stones him in front. Germany's got a hold of it. Right in front of the net. Can't connect. Sends it across the ice. Here's a backhand. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
A chance right in front. Oh, flashes the leather with that glove. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Team Belarus is still down a goal here, but they have really picked up the tempo these last few minutes. And now it's grabbed by Boyle. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Gets it over to Boyle. Boyle's moving the puck through his own zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the feed at the back end. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Centering pass. Blocked in traffic. Through center along the wing. From the opposite point. Strong use of the body to force the puck loose. Here's a chance. To his teammate. Drives it to the front of the net. Oh, what a save in front. Handles the pass at center. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Scrum ensues along the boards. Team Germany's got the puck along the wall. And he slides it. Moved into the middle. Shot in front. Denies him in front.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Germany's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Slides the puck down low. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. I'd say that's a pretty good definition of charging.
Yeah, it is, James. I mean, he came from too far away, finished the check with too much force.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
When you've already scored on the power play and you get one now, you can't wait to get over the boards to get started again.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Grabs the puck at center. Moves the puck along the half wall. Wrist shot from the slot, and that goes wide.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Takes the feed at the point. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Misses. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Germany's got a hold of it against the... Over the line they come. Here's a short pass to Holzer. Blast from the blue line. That's a beautiful pad save by the goalie there. Germany's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Draisaitl's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Blocked in traffic. Penalty has expired. You got to give the shorthanded unit a lot of credit there.
Well, they're not going to do a much better job than that last penalty kill all night. They've been really efficient killing penalties.
Puts it on goal. Stopped by the goaltender. He got all of that one. Scoops up the puck here. Here they come on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Into the corner. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Team Germany's gained possession along the boards. Good defensive stop with the poke check. He says, let's get physical on that play. They've got numbers. Sends it over. Misses. It was right there, Ray.
Oh, it's such a great chance, and he doesn't get the shot on net.
Carries it in. Quick pass to Reimer. Takes it right in the chest. And there's the whistle to exhale.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. Just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. Sends the pass over. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Knocked away. Puck picked up by Reimer. Carries it across the line. shot, and there's the save. Germany's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Picks it off, look out! Deflected away, nice defensive use of the stick there. And on the heels of that big hit, he's being called out. They're gonna drop the gloves.
Yeah, it's after a big hit. This challenge is issued. He's gonna have to answer for it.
And down he goes.
That's a clear winner right there. And you got guys running together at high speed. Eventually, somebody's going to get frustrated. I'd say both of them got frustrated at the same time there, and down the gloves go.
As they're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. That goes wide. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus gains a hold of the puck against the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's the pass. And he comes up with it. Trying to get the puck out of the zone. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
Puck sent across the blue line. Makes the save.
These are positional saves. This is a good scoring chance, and he makes the stop with his stick.
Team Germany's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. No room for that one to get through. And manages to clear the zone. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it on net, and that one's turned away. Past the midway mark of the frame, 3-2 is where we're sitting. And a solid job tying up his opponent. A chance to get it out of the defensive zone. And that's a big defensive play with that clearing.
Yeah, you got to focus on it, James. It seems like an easy play, but that puck has to go out.
And special teams comes up huge. Great job by the penalty killers to keep this one tight.
Well, not much they're going to be able to do about that. The power play failed. Now they go back to even strength.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Draisaitl's won a big draw in their own end. Return pass. Passes over to Cahoon. Cahoon's got it along the wing. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Uses the force on that hit. On the attack along the boards. Puts it to the front of the net. And that one's broken up. Reimer's got it on the offensive end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. That's intercepted.
Now that thing sounded like a car crash. When those two guys came together, he took the bad end of that hit. Now he needs some help at the bench.
Moves the puck more to the middle. And they come up empty-handed. Takes control of the puck. Back at the point, they set it up. Slides the puck over. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. And makes the save. Tries to get it to Draisaitl. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves it to Draisaitl. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. Sends a pass over. Takes it across the blue line. Blistering shot! Wide of the net!
Got to get it on the net. I know he's trying to be perfect with it, but it's a scoring chance that seems like a missed attempt.
Oh, he'll be regretting that one. Picked off! Lets it go! Big stop by the keeper!
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away. Reimer's going to try and shake this off and get back into the game, but he took a heavy hit there.
A critical draw here. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Can't maintain possession. Knocked away. Move to the middle. That's a solid check on the play. Slides the puck across to Reeder. Here's a shot. Oh, what a chance, and he puts it wide of the net.
Good delivery. He got rid of that in a hurry, but he ends up missing the net.
Takes that pass back at the point. From in close. Misses.
Oh, he's got to get it on the net, and not only that, he missed it by so far, it's not even a danger chance.
Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Germany's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Over the line they come. Great heads-up play by the defender.
It's hard not to take a chance when you're behind in the game. He turns that puck over.
Wide open net, just wide. Team Belarus has got the puck in their own end. Handles the puck. Handles the puck from the left side. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. From the point, that's off a stick. Wide open net. And there's the insurance marker, much needed for them on this night.
It's amazing how many times a guy misses an empty net, but this one he puts between the pipes. Well, now you got a couple of goal lead here with the empty netter. That should be enough to put this away.
Team Germany's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net.
Dumps it into the other end. Belarus takes possession along the wall. Here they come on the attack. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Net is empty. The extra attacker is now out on the ice. Off target. Final horn is sounded, bringing this one to an end.
They kept getting to throw that power play back out there, James. Finally, they were able to execute and cash in on them. That was the difference.
They looked really good and effective on some nights where that power play can be a bit of a clunker. Not tonight. On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.